Question 8. Mr. Prakash invested 20,000 in a bank with annual interest rate of 10%. Mr. Prakash investment after T years can be determined by this formula. So you can say P is F1 plus R power T, where F is the initial investment value. Okay, so he invested 20,000, that's F lah. R is the annual return rate. So annual return rate is R. Determine Mr. Prakash investment after 10 years. So this will be T. So F is 20,000. Interest rate is 10%. After 10 years means T is also 10. So put all these in the calculator. 20,000, 1 plus 10 over 100, power 10. So we get 51,874 ringgit and 85 cents. So remember, for AdMaths, if you get price, you must write your answer in 2 decimal places. That's it. So he invested 20,000 ringgit. This one, the interest rate quite high lah, 10%. So after 10 years, the 20,000 became 51,000. That's a good investment. That's it.